Hi, I'm Bob. Today, let's explore how the firm's revenue varies as price changes. First, we figure out how a firm's revenue is calculated. Total revenue is equal to the price of the good times the quantity sold. For example, if I buy 7 ice cream cones at the price of $2 per cone, then the revenue earned by the seller is $14, which is equal to $2 times 7. Second, let's consider how revenue changes with a price change. Compare these two supply and demand diagrams. They represent two different markets. The market equilibrium moves from E1 to E2. In both markets, the price increases from $5 to $10. In both markets, the original revenue in E1 is $5 times 10, that is $50. After the markets reach the new equilibrium E2, the new revenues in the two markets are different. For the first market, it is $10 times 2, or $20. For the second market, it is $10 times 7, or $70. For the first market, as the price increases, the firm's revenue drops from $50 to $20. By contrast, as the price increases for the second market, the firm's revenue rises from $50 to $70. So we see that as the price increases, the firm's revenue could either increase or decrease. It depends on the price elasticity of demand. The demand curve for the first market is flatter. It implies that the demand is price elastic. A small price change causes a large change in the quantity demanded. A price increase leads to a decrease in the revenue earned by the seller. The reason is that an increase in the price leads to a decrease in quantity demanded that is proportionately larger. So total revenue decreases. The demand curve for the second market is steeper and it is price inelastic. For this market, the price increase induces a rise in revenue. An increase in the price leads to a decrease in quantity demanded that is proportionately smaller. So total revenue increases. We can prove it using the derivative of revenue with respect to price. Suppose the demand function is linear. Q equals A minus B times price. A and B are both positive. The price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. Its absolute value equals B times P divided by A minus B times P. If demand is elastic, epsilon is greater than 1, which implies A minus 2 times B times P is negative. If demand is inelastic, epsilon is less than 1, which means A minus 2 times B times P is positive. If demand is unit elastic, epsilon is 1, which suggests that A minus 2 times B times P is 0. For these three cases, the firm's revenue will increase or decrease or remain unchanged as the price increases. In case 1, when demand is inelastic, dR over dP is positive, meaning that revenue increases as price increases. In case 2, when demand is elastic, revenue drops as price increases. In case 3, when demand is unit elastic, revenue remains unchanged as price changes. Today's video shows that when demand is price inelastic, that is, the price elasticity is less than 1, the price and the firm's revenue move in the same direction. If the price increases, total revenue also increases. When demand is price elastic, that is, the price elasticity is greater than 1, the price and the firm's revenue move in the opposite direction. If the price increases, total revenue decreases. If demand is unit elastic, that is, the price elasticity is equal to 1, total revenue remains constant when the price changes. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.